Hello student, welcome to our new tutorial. It's all about bioinformatics study and stuff. So the most frequently asked question in bioinformatics are follow. Students are worried about the meaning of bioinformatics. To understand what's bioinformatics mean, the second question, how they apply bioinformatics in their research area. What are the most important application of bioinformatics and some researches are mostly research areas. So for this, I would like to discuss about the meaning of bioinformatics. Actually, bioinformatics is interdisciplinary science field that help researcher student to understand complex biological data. It's the combination of biology and information technology. So the second question is, what are the some application of bioinformatics? Actually, there are various application of bioinformatics and research concern. So here I am demonstrate some of the application of bioinformatics and research areas. Bioinformatics include biological study that use in the field of genomics, evolutionary studies, and also proteomic. Uh, Application of bioinformatics in medicine. It can be used to discover new drugs. Moreover, bioinformatics applications are involved in personalized medicine, antibiotic resistance, crop improvement, veterinary science, and comparative studies. So these are the some of application and research areas where you can you can apply bioinformatics and various research field. So student, don't worry, we are here to teach you multiple aspects of bioinformatics with Python programming, with R programming. Welcome. So happy learning. Bye. Take care.